Hey guys, welcome back to Click, and today we're doing a quick unboxing and review of the Karbon case for the OnePlus 5T. So for those of you who have been watching the coverage, you know we have a sandstone white 5T in-house, and obviously we had to pick up some cases, so here we have the first one. Now this is the Karbon case by OnePlus for the phone itself. So let's have a quick look around before we get into it and see what's what. I'm just going to zoom in here and see if we can get, there we go. So this is for the OnePlus 5T Karbon protective case, and there's some instructions on how to put it on. So usually we don't read any of that crap. On the front here we've got nothing other than the OnePlus 5T branding. So idiot proof packaging as always, which is great. Thank you OnePlus. Let's pop that out. Alright guys, so this is the case. It's very reminiscent to the Karbon case for the 3T, which is sitting just in the back here. And there are the two. Okay, so very similar in terms of their fit and finish. Okay, they're made by the same company, Evutech, or however you say that. Okay, so let's get the phone in and see what's what. So here is the beautiful sandstone white. We go in from the left to the right, and there it is, guys. So we'll throw it on, and that's what it looks like from the back. So you can see the glimmer of white coming through. Okay, looks really nice. Alright, let's look at the bottom here. We've got it all open. Okay, so all your ports are open, your headphone jack, mic, your charging port, and your speaker. On this side here we've got your volume rocker as well as your mute switch. On the top there's nothing. Okay, and on this side you have access to your power button. Okay. Sorry guys, just trying to get this thing to focus a little bit better. Interesting. Okay, and then on the back you've got a cutout for your fingerprint scanner and your cameras. So all in all, great case, minimal, not much drop protection, but this is what I kind of like. I like cases like this for the phone. I think it looks really nice. All in all, it's probably going to be my daily case. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, please do post them down below. Otherwise, this has been the Karbon case for the OnePlus 5T. And I'm out. Thanks for watching. Peace.